What's going on, you guys? It's Dylan here, back with another video. Today we're doing another product with the Tundra. It's right here in front of me, so let me go ahead and show you. So I had this company send me some fog lights out. These are custom fog lights, the built-in DLRs, turn signal base. Let's see if I can show you guys. So yeah, fog lights, all the functions. They're all supposed to be all plug and play. There should be your DLRs, turn signals, DLRs, and the fog lights turned on. Then I'm going to show you how these things work, how to install them. I'll leave description of the Instagram of the company. Leave an Amazon link where you can buy these. Company who sent them to me is called like mibahe. Excuse me if I'm pronouncing that wrong. I'll put it up here on the screen. Right here. Alright guys, so once you remove those two tabs, or if you had zip ties, remove the zip ties. There's two screws, one here and one over here on the bottom side, and then after that this whole thing should be able to come out. There is a push tab over here. I just moved this out of the way and just set it to the side so I don't have to take it all the way out, but it should be as simple as that, and now you've got access to your fog light housing. Alright, the next step is you want to pull off your connector by pushing down on this tab and give it a good snug. Now, the fog light is ready to come out. Another zip tie holding it in. Snap that one. Alright guys, so there's a tab here and there's another tab here. See if I can get it focused on there. You just want to take a flathead screwdriver and get behind it and pry on them, both sides, and now the fog light should pop right out, just like that. All right, and that's the same process on both sides. Take fender liner out, pop the tabs. All right, you guys, so I just swapped the actual fog light into my OEM housings. But in case you're wondering what I did, I took a rubber grommet and put it in OEM hole, grabbed a washer, spring sits over that grommet, and then I put the screw back in, and this is your adjuster. So when you're connecting these on the OEM harness, you notice you have this side. Don't plug it in where this little nipple here is on this side. Swap them and they'll turn on. I set up my turn signal, my DLRs. I got a little clip of those working and I'll throw them in. I'm probably going to end up leaving just the turn signal out and just turn the DLR or hook the DLR up. So for that, you'll need to pop out your harness or your bulb. The purple wire is your DLR, and your red wire is your turn signal wire. To do this, you're gonna want a wire tap and get a long enough wire with two connectors. One connector like this, and then another that'll go in and plug into the wire tap. All right, running lights are on, spliced into the purple light, come all the way down, spliced into the blue, light is on. And it looks really good. All right guys, here's the final product. Running lights are on, top running lights, lower running lights are on, or aka DLRs. Those are both on. Looks sick. Let me know what y'all think. So I'm gonna try and get another nighttime clip of these lights doing their job. So until then, I'll see you when it is nighttime. All right guys, so it's at nighttime. This is just running lights. Headlights are about to cut on, keeping the fog lights off. That is just headlights. Here's fogs. So I mean, that's projection. I gotta adjust them and angle them down. But I'd say they're pretty bright. And they look cool. Projection's kind of crazy. But I mean, it shines bright everywhere. Hope you guys enjoyed. And again, let's do a little fog light kind of do. But yeah, hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, leave a thumbs up on today's video and go check out the company in the description if you like the fog lights. But yeah, I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace.